So guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we sold our old house and we bought a new house, and this house actually has a decent sized shop. It has like 10-foot rafters, but you can see they're kind of evenly spaced out. So since they're evenly spaced out like that, I can go a certain amount in, because you need 12 feet for a lift. So today I've set up a lift install. It's a used lift off of Marketplace, and the guys deliver and install it for a decent price. So we're gonna do that today. It's actually a rotary lift. It's just like the one I use at work, so that's why I'm gonna get it. But anyway, so if you see, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Unfortunately, this third one is about the furthest over we can go because of the height. Because you have to put the column in and all the way over. So yesterday I had it all set up over here, but then we realized there's no way I could fit it up there. So what we're going to do, I think, just because it just looks better, and I think I'm gonna have it kind of in on an angle like that, so I'll have some room on the sides to pull cars in, rather than just going right in the middle. I don't know. We'll see what the lift guys say when they get here, but I'm trying to maximize as much space as possible. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see when they get here. But as you can see, there's skylights and stuff in here, so it makes lighting in here really well, really good. Everything's just pushed along the sides. I have nothing set up yet. It's just everything from my other garages. So what we'll be doing is, after the lift's in, then we'll get working on electrical. I do have a 100 amp sub panel, and I have lots of breakers everywhere, and I bought some new LED lighting for in here for nighttime, and yeah, you know, much more than that. We have my air compressor. I actually bought this air compressor about 5 years ago. My wife bought this air compressor 5 years ago. Never got to use it. Have to run electric for my welder. Lots of stuff. It's overwhelming, but I'll get it all done. Take you guys with me. I'll be back when the lift's here. Shows you the time lapse and whatnot, but now you get to see it completed. I think it's perfect. You know, I still got to situate everything and whatnot, but this was a used lift. I'm perfectly fine with the used lift. Use it at work, why not? But I spent a good amount of money, but I got the exact one I wanted. This is a Rotary 9000 lift. Are you my man?
Yeah.
So this is a Rotary 9000, and you get the flip ups, and then they're also asymmetrical arms. So what that means is that when you have the car on the lift, you can actually open the doors. I could have bought a really cheap lift for $2,000 and put it up myself, but there'd be a decent amount of issues with this stuff, you know. This is actually also a single post release, so you don't have to worry about going over to each side and pulling them. Also got lucky because it came with all the wiring. I just got to kind of reattach it. That won't be an issue. Came with the motor, everything, and it also came with 110 on the sides, and it came with a air regulator on the side too. So a bunch of little added extras. Really, that insulation right there, that's the best part, because I can just run my 220 right somewhere into there, and I'll do that myself. I'll show you guys how to do it. I just have to clean the lift up. It's a little dirty, but everything's good. Everything works. They showed me it working. So this truss right here, watch out, bud, and this truss right here, I'll be doing what's called a scissor truss, so I can actually lift the cars all the way up without the issues. So we should be perfectly fine with that. For space reasons is why it has to go here. I could not put it this way because my door is back here. I don't have any doors right here, so this is the best spot. Well, and also I don't have money to buy 3 of these lifts, so one lift will do me perfectly fine. I'll be able to do lots of customer work, lots of my own work, and then I still have the attached garage over there that I could put long-term projects like the Rabbit in, and I plan on making like a blast cabinet and all that kind of stuff for in there for vapor blasting. So now there's just a lot to do. Still gotta start situating everything in the shop, you know, and nothing's where it should be. So I gotta figure all this out and then start running wiring. Still a lot to do, but this is the biggest thing, because after this and all the stuff's out, you know, the lift's in here, I don't have to worry about like scratching the paint, the floor, or anything like that. This will be perfectly fine, and then I can paint the floors. I used paint at my last house and it worked well, so we'll just continue on with that kind of stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be doing a lot more shop update videos like this, and making it into a functional shop for the Smith Euro channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll have more on this, more on the other cars. We'll have I'll try to do a little bit more updating posts, or sorry, I'll try to be doing more videos now that we're actually in the house and getting settled in. So thanks for watching.